repetitive typing is something that happens to most of us when we answer emails or have to do certain actions in our day-to-day business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save and eliminate those tedious tasks and save time with this repetitive typing. Let me share my screen and show you an example and how it's done. So this is my PayPal commissions that I need to pay different people that have promoted my products and services. So what I do is I need to click here, click on markets paid. I got to copy the email address. I got to paste it here. I got to then choose the person I'm paying. I got to go back, copy the amount, paste it here. And then here is where it becomes repetitive. Here I got to say .com truths affiliate commission payment or something like that, okay? And maybe I want to add a little emoji like this, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on next, and then I got to type this entire thing again with the next person. So how can I save this time that is being wasted? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this entire thing. I'm going to right click, click on copy, and I'm going to go to a software called Typing Helper. Open a new tab, go to typinghelper.io. And then here, I'm going to, in my case, go to dashboard because I already have an account. Now I'm going to click on create new shortcut. I'm going to paste the shortcut right here. Now this one, I'm going to call this affiliate commission message on PayPal. And then I'm going to label the shortcut /a pay, let's say, like that. Then I'm going to click on save shortcut. And that's done. Now I'm going to go back to PayPal. Of course, I'm going to pay to this person. And then I'm going to do the next one. So I'm going to go back to see who's the next commission that I'm supposed to pay. I'm going to pick this one, choose the email address, send more money, paste in the email address, choose the person. And so I'm going to paste in the amount, and then I'm going to do /a pay. And automatically this will pop up, a little confetti. I can click on next, make the payment, send more money, and then I can click onto the next person and do the same process. You can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and every month I got to do this, right? So this is now going to save me time every time I want to send money, basically through PayPal. Type it in, put in the amount. Obviously, there's still some manual task to this particular thing, but otherwise, this is going to save me, a few seconds each time. And all those things throughout the day really do add up.